Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know we back at it. So about to look at this 2010 Chevy Malibu that I picked up on ACV. I usually like to buy all my cars from ACV. I buy them usually during the week, but the best day for me is when like they run their most cars. And I thought some car was started. It was a semi truck. I was like, what car back there already started? But yeah, on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, they run no reserve. So no reserve just means whatever the car brings, that they is gonna sell it. But yeah, I picked up this Malibu on the no reserve. So basically, as long as you're the one winning the bid at the end of it, that's what it is. No matter what the price is. That's why I won. You can win a car for $50. You can win a car for $100. You can win a car, for whatever price. Just who's ever the last winner. Took it to the detail shop, but it still got like a. It's like they didn't let there, like it didn't. Like it's still like kind of like a little dim. Like they didn't let the windows down and let it air dry. But yeah, it got 158. No check engine lights. Got these little paddle shifters. And Duke got this aftermarket radio, and it got the backup camera, so they did hook it up. They did hook it up with the backup camera. So this person, they did it right. It ain't an Apple CarPlay, but it's a good radio. Let's see, just like I'm gonna have to spray something in here. And the thing too, because you can get a lot of good prices on the no reserve, but you are taking a lot of chances because a lot of times, like during the week, like on Mondays too, like Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, they just run a lot of cars more on the green light. But on Thursday, I mean on the no reserve, it's a lot of red light cars. So, you're taking a chance. So for $700, I'm not gonna trip. Junk it, part it out, get my $700. But you can go spend 2, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000. You bought something on the red light. And they just run it on a red light. Yeah, they might say like transmission issue, or the person that checks it out might not even notice the transmission issue. It might not even seem like a transmission issue to him. So you're just taking a more of a chance on the no reserve. So it really is the gamble. So you're taking like, okay, if you do hit, bam, I got me a car like this. I got this Malibu for $700. I could sell it for 3 grand, 3,500. You know, but on the other end, I'm taking the same chance that I could have bought this Malibu and it was no good. The thing, so, but it's a clean car, so that's why I took the chance. I'm like, man, it's clean. Yeah, it's on no reserve red light, but I mean, I'm gonna take a chance for $700. I'm gonna take a chance. You know, Probably go grab a tire too, cause he like this kind of like bald. I mean, it's got some tread, but it's kind of a little bit bald right there. See how the other one looks. Yeah, that looks pretty decent. So they got the backup camera hooked up right way. So back tires got some, you know. So I might just go get a set of tires. Might go get a set of tires. Place I use to get some tires, they're right down the street. If you're in Oklahoma City, good place to get some tires. They call Chalos. They're right here. I'm on 59th and Shields and like High. They're on like 59th and Walker. They call Tralos tires. They got some good used tires for like 40, $50. They went up. They used to be like 25, 30, you know, but they got some really good used tires for like 40, $50. They like always good tread, always good, 40, $50 get you some good tires. For me, I've been doing a lot of business, so I can go get 4 good tires for them. They usually charge me like 140, 150. He kind of give me a little bit of break, instead of charging me 50 to 4 tires. Sometimes if I go buy all 4, he'll give them to me for like, you know, I can get them maybe 160, 150, you know, so. But right now I know they're like 40. They're like 45, 50. Sometimes 40, just depends on the size. But you know, average price 45. But he usually let me slide and get like four, like 140, 150. So I save about $5, $10 here and there, just because I go in there and buy a lot of tires from him. So you know, that's just the price of doing business. So, what y'all think? Let me know in the comment section below. I know $700 is a good price for a vehicle that runs and drives, but we're gonna walk around it. Like I said, throw some tires on there, a couple $100 in tires, you know, 150 tire. Maybe get some. It's always good. I know they got a lot of stuff that cleans headlights, but you can really get headlights on like Amazon. You can get headlights on Amazon for like $90, and it just makes the car just look so much better when you put new headlights on there. I'm gonna see if I can go find some headlights, but the interior wasn't really bad. Like I said, it's like they didn't let the windows down all the way when they detailed it. See, they didn't clean that seat all the way good, so I might have to take it back down. So they didn't clean that one all the way that well. No, they didn't clean this one that good either. See, that's the only thing. When they drop the cars off to you and I'm not here, you know, usually I go to their shop and pick them up, you know. See, right there, didn't get right there. You know, kind of little stains. I know some of these stains are going to be hard, but you know, can't miss that though. You can't miss that. You know, you got to get that, you know. Still look like some little pet hairs and stuff, so probably didn't get all the pet hairs and all the stuff off of there. So, but I don't know. I'll take it back down and let them just do a little go over, a little wipe down. You know, maybe go over the seats one more time if they can. You know, I know like seats like that, they kind of stain. It's kind of hard to get them out, but I'm not gonna really stress about it. But I'm gonna drop a picture, take a screenshot of some headlights. Like you said, you can get some headlights instead of going to AutoZone or something. You know, maybe spending a little money trying to fix them. Just go ahead and just buy them. Like you can, if you don't have like fancy headlights, if you just got like regular factory headlights, just go ahead and replace them with the aftermarket fog lights. They all foggy and hazed up and stuff like that, or one just kind of looks crazy. You know, don't go just replace one. Just go ahead and replace both of them. You know, you're gonna see better at night. It's gonna shine better. The car's gonna look better. Then when you want to go sell it, it's just gonna look a lot better. So, but you can find headlights like for like these Impala, like the older Impalas. Like the body style, like 2007 to like 13 Impalas, you can get like smoked headlights, gray headlights, all that for like 80, $90. They're probably about the same price for those. I'll drop a screenshot, but I appreciate everybody for rocking. Let me know in the comment section what y'all sell that for. And I'm out. Peace.